let's get eating.
The time starts when we cut the burger, right? Yeah. Okay. So, gentlemen, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So how about we get started? Mm-hmm. Say at the count of... I'm going to cut it into 4, okay?
Okay.
So a little bit of this so you can grab it.
Right.
Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Time to eat.
30 minutes.
Time to eat. No games now, and it's time to eat. Time to put your money where your mouth is cheap. We waited all year to eat this burger. Time to eat. Time to eat. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee.
I just cut a piece off my finger. Could you grab me a glove, please? Thanks, guys. All right, good luck, everybody. It's actually very tasty.
Very good.
Put the glove on so I don't get any blood anywhere. Alright. Rock and roll, guys.
Yeah. All good.
Just falling apart.
Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're here at the Clinton Station Diner doing one of their legendary burger challenges. So this place is known to have literally the biggest burger challenges. They in fact even offer a 100-pound burger challenge. Yes, a 100-pound burger challenge. Here we are doing the 3-person challenge, which is called the Zeus. So for this challenge, you can do it as 1 person, you technically can do it as 2 people, or you can technically do it as 3 people. Of course, generally the standard is the 3 people, 3 person, but again, hypothetically, you could do this by yourself if you wanted to try it. So we were in the quest for a $500 cash prize and the free meal. The burger itself cost about $100 if we were to fail. So as we mentioned, interesting to start, the burger they brought out weighed just over 27 pounds when it is advertised as 15. But when we mentioned like, hey, this is obviously bigger than 15, they did, offer to change it.
All right, we're 2.5 minutes in. We're doing well. We got Scott just assembling it. That's what I was doing. We got Mr. Badlands cranking it as a great big burger, getting into some of that bread there. They do make all the breads here. It's actually very tasty.
Very good.
The bread and the burger is actually really good so far, so no complaints.
Our burger ended up being just over 17 pounds, so they took 10 pounds off. And there is a serving of fries that's always given with the challenge. However, we were instructed and told it was not required. You do not need to eat it. It is just something they essentially give you, I guess for show. At least that's what we were directed. And so yeah, so basically the big burger. Of course, I'm here with my good friends, Mr. Scott Eats and Mr. Badlands Chugs. Great eaters, great guys. It was super awesome to be able to meet up with them in New Jersey. And in fact, this was my first food challenge attempt in the state of New Jersey. Despite having been there before, I never had the opportunity to actually try a challenge.
Delicious.
So the strategy of this was pretty straightforward. Scott and I definitely talked about the strategy a bit going into this. It was, we're just going to crush as fast as we can this burger. If there was extra once we were finished our quarters, proceeding forward, Scott wanted me to take the meat and he wanted to take the bread, just per preference. So I said that's totally fine. All we had to do was finish the burger. It didn't matter who ate what, etc. We were all in there as a team, and we just all collectively wanted that win.
It's definitely pretty thick, pretty doughy bread.
Yeah.
But
It's flavorful.
it does taste good.
The burger itself was actually really good tasting. Like I was told prior that sometimes the food was a little interesting, but this was very delicious. I enjoyed the beef patty. I enjoyed the buns. They make the buns there, the breads, which I will say they are very thick, very, very dense, and as you can tell, very large. But no, overall taste was really, really good.
All right, and we are about 5.5 minutes in, guys. We're doing well, doing well. Lettuce.
The challenge itself was supposed to have 7 pounds of meat on it, and if you're wondering how they cook a patty that big, they do so in the oven.
What'd you call it? Crispy water?
Country water.
Crunchy water.
So just looking at it, I mean, funny thing is the first time, if we had 7 pounds of beef, that means we had 20 pounds of bun and vegetables. Pretty crazy to think about that. Even now we had 10 pounds of buns and vegetables, assuming that there was a consistent, 7 pounds of meat, at least to start, I suppose. But that's pretty much it. I think that's like the majority of the information. I'll hop back in a little later to talk to you a bit more as the challenge proceeds. Let's just say we had some interesting findings and some interesting happenings through this challenge, so definitely tune in for that. But at that, ultimately in the quest for $500, let me know down below. Do you think we can beat this challenge? Give me a hashtag yes, a hashtag no. So that, I look forward to hearing from you, and I'm going to talk to you again right here in a moment.
Yeah, that's that crunchy water.
Crunchy water.
Crunchy water. Yeah, pick up the Dane drops.
I like it.
Yeah. He's the one that coined the phrase.
Definitely crunchy water.
Oh, good.
Would you hand me the ketchup, somebody?
Yeah.
I got two. Thanks so much. I'm lucky to have such great help.
You couldn't do it without us.
That's right. I asked for one, I get two.
I've learned both of this.
You want another drink, honey?
Delicious.
Good? All right.
Very good.
The water actually tastes really good with the bread.
Fun fact, it also bubbles when you put the bread in it.
Magic.
Oh, man. Oh, boy.
Oh, that ketchup, that's a nice addition.
It's good. In my Joey Chestnut voice, oh, baby.
Oh, baby. compliments to the chef.
All right. Better than that.
Just gonna grab some napkins. All right. 10 napkins in. We're just